Guys, look what Dad bought. Why is there green hair on my tablet? Look what my dad got. Replacement bird for my bird. You know how the bluebird died? This is a replacement bird. Okay. Oh my god! Hello, buddy! Oh, that might be a little bit violent, but...
Same.
Yeah.
Check the color.
Oh, hello, buddy! You're
Takot siya,
back!
oh.
Having the white one doesn't recognize that guy.
Upakan niya yan. Upakan niya. Teritoryo niya yan eh.
Oh, no. Wait. Okay, this one's the same. Okay, I thought it would look like pigeon.
Yeah, pares silang ano.
Okay. Okay, I'm worried they might fight. I'm worried. They might be still in stalemate for a while. They might need to get used to each other.
Yeah.
Hello?
Nihingal siya, mama.
Dinervyos.
Nakabahan siya eh.
Puta, isa, ano lang yung nakasilip lang si Whitey, oh.
Tingnan niyo.
Si
Hello, Whitey.
Ay, si Whitey, oh.
Hello,
Babanapan
Koy.
niya yan, tingnan mo.
Hello, Koy.
Ano yun, bay? Lapit ko masyado.
Busha yan.
Yan na.
Busha.
Tingnan niyo. Mas malaki siya.
Who's more bigger?
The blue
Ano kayo
one.
nasa dulo ng labi niya, ma'am?
Ako po?
Ng pick niya, ayun, oh.
Sino?
Yun, si ano.
Ay.
Alin yung puti?
something, ano, may itim.
Yan.
May itim pa siya, may itim.
Tae. May tae din eh.
Pa.
The black one, oh.
Oh no,
Pero katanda, ano.
Oh no, nagkain siya ng buris. Don't worry, they don't know what buris means.
Ito pala dito nilalagay yun, ma'am, no?
Wink,
Yung
wink.
alinwel.
Yung pagkain. Dito ko nilalagay. Ito.
Oh hey,
Itong
you're famous.
milit.
You're on the box.
Yan, yun, meron pa yun, no?
Oh. Where are they? Where's the...
Kuha niya yan eh.
Pinaka siya.
Oh, the blue one's
Yan mo
there.
na.
Okay, wait, I think we need to put them in separate containers for a while.
Ano?
They're a little bit
Okay, yaman sila para
skittish.
hindi sila ma-stress.
They're a little bit too skittish to each other.
Yan lang muna yan.
Okay, careful guys. Careful guys. Don't do anything.
Oo, taragis. $50 yan.
Kuro.
Man.
Oo,
Ibon.
$50 yan.
Ibon, you can get that outside.
Nag-sign pa si mami mo niyan. Permit.
Ano yung permit?
Para?
Pets permit.
Siyempre,
Can I
may
have
permit.
this here?
May pa ganun pa.
Hello, buddy.
Nakikita yung mga bote ng beer ko. Ayun o, sa likod. Background. Ito talaga sabihin. Singgero yung daddy mo.
Oh, they really want to see that. They really have the video. They won't notice.
Happy ka na?
Apa.
Massage. What? What?
I can use the massage from the video.
Oh, wait na yan.
Okay. Good night, guys. Love you.
Kapag kausapin mo yan ha.
Apa.
Mamatay.
Apa. And make sure it doesn't eat mommy's monstera. Nagkain yung monstera mo.